Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As-salatu was-salamu ala Sayyidina Rasulillah al-Kareem. Good morning, my dear students. Today, inshallah, we are going to start Unit 11. I hope everyone is doing well, and I hope you are staying with your families, and inshallah, you are enjoying a safe life. In the previous videos, we had covered Unit 10, and we finished it. Inshallah, today we are going to start Unit 11. So please, all of you, be prepared with your course book and workbook, because just we are going, inshallah, to use, or we are going to answer some exercise in the workbook. So open your course book on page 89 and 88 and 89. That's what we are going to cover, inshallah, in this video. This is the first page in Unit 11. In this unit, we are going to speak about some topics. The title of this unit, it's called We Are Going on Holiday. In this unit, inshallah, we are going to cover types of holidays. We are going to identify some types of holidays, and we are going to know how to plan for our holidays and to know more about its experiences. We are going to know also about some information about airports, and we are going to know more about school exchanges. In this unit, we need to cover some rules like the compound nouns or verbs which are followed by the gerund or the ing form. Let's start. Can you look at this picture? That's right, it's holiday. What do you know about holiday? Or just when I say a holiday, when you hear this word, what does it mean for you? Exactly. Maybe just you are thinking of just you are off school or your work. That's right. So holiday, it's a time when you rest or when just you stop your school, your work or anything. Do we have types of holiday? Think for a few seconds. Do we have types of holiday? Yes, you're right. We have different types of holidays. Can you mention for me some of them? Well done. We have types of holiday. Like for example, just we can find here, or if you look at the picture, if you look at the pictures here, which in front of you, you are going just to find sailing holiday or sightseeing holiday or camping holiday, safari or beach holiday, spa holiday or cultural holiday. Like for example, just some people when they travel to other countries to know more about their traditions and their culture. Before we go to the text, let's know some words. This picture, can you know just for example, what does it mean? Or when someone goes to the forest or goes to the desert, okay, and just he put up this something, that's called, or this tent, that's called accent. It's called camping. Camping, repeat after me, camping. Well done. Another word we have here, we need to know any place which overlooks the sea, that's called coast. 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 Great. The next picture, I think all of you just you know it and you are happy when you go like these places. So that's a place where you can have fun. That's called, well done, theme park. Theme park. Now, let's go to the text. Please, just what do you think of when you look at this picture or any type of these pictures? For a few seconds, can you think what does it mean for you? Holiday, or just how do you enjoy your time? Excellent, thank you. You can say that I prefer staying at home while I can play my Sony or PlayStation. Others, they can stay at home, watch TV, or sleep, or go for any place. Maybe just you find anything, just you can be happy with this. We have here, that's 4 texts. We are going from 4 different persons. We are going to listen to each one of them. And after we finish, I need all of you, through these texts, please, to find out the following. I need from every one of you to find out some types of holiday accommodation. Holiday accommodation. An accommodation which means the place where you're staying. Like, for example, a hotel or an inn or home or anywhere. The second one, I need from you just to find out holiday activities. Some of holiday activities you can do. And the next one, sports facilities. And the last thing we need to find out some features of the landscape. And landscape that are the part or the piece from the nature. Let's listen to each one from the text. The first one, it's said by Bruno.
I am going to the coast with my family. We are staying at a hotel near a beach called Praia de Rosa. You can do lots of water sports, like windsurfing and sailing there. You can go whale watching too. I am really looking forward to it. Bruno.
Thank you. That's the first person. Let's move to the second one.
Most of the time I'm going to be at home, but I am going on a day trip with my family. We're going to Jeddah, which is right on the Red Sea coast. My cousins live there, so I can catch up with them. I'm looking forward to hearing all their news. We might go to the El Shalal theme park. You can go ice skating and roller skating there. Mariam.
The next person.
We are going camping. You can see Mount Fuji from the campsite. We went there last year and it was great. There are hot springs and tennis courts, and there is a big swimming pool. We are driving there so we can take our tent with us. It is not a long journey. It only takes 2 hours. Ren.
And the last text we have here, it's from Anya.
I like going to other countries. You get a chance to see new things. We are flying to Dubrovnik and we are staying in an apartment. We are going on a half-day sightseeing tour when we get there. And there are islands to explore just off the coast, so we will go on a boat trip to see them. I can back quote wait. Anya.
Thank you. As we have listened to the 4 persons, we need just to find out now the things which we had said before. So if I start by the first point, from types of holiday accommodation, what can you tell me? Well done. We can say hotel. What else? Excellent. Khalawi. I miss you, all of you, by the way, my dears. Khalawi Ainusa, my dear students in grade 7, and everyone in grade 8, Hassan Kiki and others, Yusuf Matar. I hope everyone is well, inshallah. So, let's continue, please. Types of holiday accommodation, as we said, hotel, home, well done. What else? Apartment, well done. Thank you. Tent or campsite. The second type, holiday activities. What can we say about holiday activities? What can you do? Well done. Yes, what can you do? So you can go for a campsite or tennis court. You can go for a trip. Well done, to watch sightseeings. Okay, what about sports facilities or other activities you can do? like windsurfing, sailing, or playing tennis, swimming. Thank you. And features of the landscape. Well done. Mount Fuji. What else? Thank you. The islands and more. Now just we are going to move to the first rule we have in this unit, which is called compound nouns. What does it mean? Compound nouns, those words we use together just to describe or to say about one thing. Like for example, just when I have something, all of you know it and you love it. This picture, what's it? Thank you. It's PlayStation. So PlayStation, if you divide this word or this noun, you can get two words, play and station. So when we use them together, we have another word. We have a different word, like PlayStation. Or just as we can say, for example, another one, horse. That's a type of a sport which is called horse riding. Horse riding. We have the verb ride and we have the word horse. So if we use them together, we can find horse riding. That's the meaning of compound nouns. I need from you all, please, just to look here at this box and to find out or to try to make some compound nouns from these words. I'll start with you. So I need to choose two words from this box to find out some compound nouns. Like for example, just we can say swimming, swimming, court, boat, no, swimming, pool. Well done. Another one, school, for example, school trip. Well done. Another one, whale, watching. Whale, watching. Or tennis, court. Tennis, court. Ice, skating. Ice, skating. So, compound nouns now, as we said, it's about some words or two words we can use them together to describe one thing. So, can you create or can you think of some other compound nouns? Yes. For a few seconds, try to think of any other compound nouns out of this box. Or for example, if you would like just to use some words we didn't use from this box, it's okay for you. Thank you. Now we are going just to move to another part. This is from the same page. I'm sorry, that's page 89. So we are going to listen to four persons, Joe, Amy, Sam, and Tina. But before listening, please, I need from everyone to prepare this table, just to be easier for you, just to write the answers directly. So, as I divided here, the four persons, Joe, Amy, Sam, and Tina. Joe, the first person, or each one from those persons, they are going to stay at a place. We need to find out what's this place, or what's the accommodation. What's their accommodation they are going to stay in. And where are they going? What's the destination? Destination, which means the place they are going to, or they are heading to. And their plans. What are they going to do in their holiday? So listen carefully to each one and try to find out the answers. As I said, please, to be easy for you, try to design this table and you can find out the answers. Are you ready? No. As I said before, and just as I taught you, before we listen, we need to read the questions. Number one student is staying at home. One only from those four is staying at home. So, can you mention him after listening? Where are the others going? So, the other three, they are going for different places. We need to find out what are these places. Question 2, where are they staying? As we said, what's their accommodation? And the last question, what are they planning to?
Track 21. 1.
Hello, my name's Joe. I don't like beach holidays. I enjoy sightseeing holidays, and this year we're going to Italy, to Rome. We're going to stay in a small hotel near the Colosseum. We'll do a walking tour to see the sights and visit the museums. I'm going to eat lots of pizza and ice cream. I'm really looking forward to it. 2.
Hello, I'm Amy. We're not going on holiday this year. We're staying at home, but Mum and Dad say we can do some day trips. We'll probably go on bike rides and have picnics. At the end of the holidays, Mum says I can have my friends from school to stay for a few days. It'll be great to catch up with them.
3.
Hello, I'm Sam. We're going on a beach holiday this year. I enjoy beach holidays, but I like to do things when I'm there. Otherwise I get bored. This year, we're going to stay in an apartment in Kerala. That's on the coast in the south of India. The apartment is only 2 minutes from the beach. We'll do lots of swimming and maybe some fishing. I'll miss my friends, but I'll see them when I get home.
4.
Hi, I'm Tina. This year, we're going on a really fantastic holiday as a treat for my grandma, who is 60 this year. We're going on a sailing holiday in Cuba. We're going to sleep on the boat. We're going to go to lovely beaches, and I want to try windsurfing and do lots of swimming, of course. I'm really looking forward to it.
Thank you. That's the end of the track, and you should listen to the track for one time, no more times as you do in the classroom. I know all of you what you need to say. So, who could find out all the answers? Let's see. Number 1, Joe. Where is he going to stay? So, what's the place for Joe? Action. He's going to stay at a hotel. And let's take for each person. So, Joe, what is his destination? Is he going to Spain or France, or well done, he's going to Rome? And the last question, what is he planning to do? Well done, he is planning to do eat pizza, or he's going to walk, or he's going to eat some ice cream. The next person, Amy. What or where is she going to stay? Thank you. That's the person. She is going to stay at home. So Amy, she is going to stay at home. Okay, and where or what is her destination? Where is she going to do, or where is she going to go? Well done. She is going to stay at home. So her destination staying at home. The last one, what is she planning to do? Well done. She is planning to have a picnic, or she is going to ride a bike. The next person, Sam. What is the place he's going to stay in? Well done. He's going to stay in apartment. He's going to stay in apartment. But where is he going? Well done. He's going to Kerala. Okay. And what is he planning to do? He is planning to fish or swim. So he's going fishing and swimming. The last person, Tina. Tina, where is she going to stay, or what's the place she is going to stay in? She is going to stay in a boat. And what is her destination? Well done, Cuba. And she is going to sail and go wind surfing and go swimming also, by the way, you're right. So these are the answers for each one of those persons. Thanks for you, and let's move to the last part from our lesson today. The second rule which we have here in this unit, which is the gerund. What does it mean? Or the ing form. The ing form, we use it after certain verbs. We have more points, but one of these points which we have today, that we use an ing form after these verbs, like enjoy, or don't mind, or can't stand, or love, or hate, or some verbs like prefer. So when you say I like, you should say I like staying at home. Don't say I like to stay, or I like staying. I'm sorry, I like stay. No, say I like staying at home. Like for example, I love eating fish. I cannot say I love eat. No. So the ing form again, we use it after certain verbs. These verbs like don't mind, enjoy, like, prefer, love, dislike, hate, go. Like for example, I go shopping. I can't say I go shop or I go to shop. Okay? Now prepare your workbook and open your workbook on page 63. We have some bubbles here, and just we need to write these sentences about holidays that are true for you. So for example, read each one of these bubbles and use any one from these phrases or these verbs. Like I enjoy, I don't enjoy, I don't mind, I don't like, or I prefer, or I love. And don't forget to use the ing form. Like in this example, I like going on camping. I like eating. Another example, well done. I don't enjoy, I use this verb, I don't enjoy sleeping. Yes, sleep in a tent, so I change it to sleeping. I changed the form here because of enjoy. Well done. I don't enjoy sleeping at home. Another one, number 2. My sister loves going on beach holidays. My sister loves going on beach holidays. Now let's move to number 3. No, 3, 4, 5 and 6. That's your homework you are going to do, inshallah, and we are going to check the answers in the next lesson. Thank you for everyone for your listening today, and I hope inshallah you will be fine. See you inshallah in the next time. Thank you.